Jagmohan Dalmia has been former chief of the Indian Cricket Board. Mr. Dalmia, why are you people like you refusing to take a position on whether Srinivasan should stay or go? Why are you being so cagey about it?
No, I'm not cagey, but what happens is that at this juncture, the importance is being given to the various factors instead of cleaning the cricket. What today we need, somebody can wait for a day or two, but then it is the cleaning of the game cannot wait. And therefore, what I was maintaining from the very
Mr.
beginning,
Dalmia,
that come forward, clean the cricket, forget about the entertainment, and thereafter.
That's a nice idea, Mr. Dalmia, but let's be direct about it. There is a power struggle on between Sharad Pawar on the one side and Srinivasan on the other. Where do you stand? You have 2 votes. Where are those 2 votes going?
I don't know because at this juncture, most important is that to concentrate on cleaning of the game. If people are not giving the importance, it is bad luck.
Well, Mr. Dalmia, everyone wants a cleanup of cricket, but then the cleanup of cricket should begin from the top, should it not?
Of course.
Then?
I'm not saying that one should not be, no action should be taken or nothing should be done, definitely. But what I'm saying, today you remove the dirt, that means by way of that you remove 1 gentleman or 2 gentlemen, and thereafter it remains in
No, I'm not saying that.
It is a golden
No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that.
Achieve this opportunity, come forward, clean the cricket, and go ahead, and this is what is needed, and that is what we are wedded to.
Mr. Dalmia, you are constantly avoiding the question. Had you been in Srinivasan's position, would you have stepped aside?
Now that one has to look into it. Their answer could be yes, answer could be no, answer could be indifferent.
Mr. Dalmia,
my viewpoint is that tomorrow, if there is a effort to clean the dirt, I will come forward and I will suggest whatever best in my knowledge.
Well, you have dodged it better than any politician in the Indian Cricket Board. Jagmohan Dalmia, nevertheless, for speaking to me. Thank you very much.